Today, we will learn about distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Suppose your father gives you 3 rupees and your mother gives you 2 rupees every day and you collect them in a piggy bank. Can you find out how much money you would have saved in 5 days? There are 2 ways to solve this. Method 1. Calculate the total amount saved in a day, which is 3 plus 2 rupees. So in 5 days, you will be able to save 5 into 3 plus 2 rupees. The solution to this is 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Method 2. The other method is first you will find out the total amount given by your father in 5 days and the total amount given by your mother in 5 days. Now add these two values. That is, find the value of 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2. The solution is 15 plus 10, which is 25. Isn't this equal to the first solution? Yes. So can we say that 5 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2? What did you understand from this? Here, the sum of two numbers is split. That means multiplication is distributed over addition. Therefore, for any 3 whole numbers a, b and c, a into b plus c can be distributed as a into b plus a into c. This is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Can multiplication also be distributed over subtraction? Think for a while. Let's understand this. Suppose your father gives you 3 rupees every day and you spend 2 rupees of it every day. Then, what is the amount you would save in 5 days? We can solve this also in 2 ways. The first method, 5 into 3 minus 2, gives you 5 as the answer. And the second method, 5 into 3 minus 5 into 2, also gives 15 minus 10, that is 5 is the answer. Here, 5 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 5 into 3 minus 5 into 2. Therefore, multiplication can also be distributed over subtraction. This shows that for any 3 whole numbers a, b and c, a into b minus c can be distributed as a into b minus a into c. This is called the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Today, we have learned about distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction of whole numbers. In the next video, we will see some examples of this property.